Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to just carry forward the rest of the topic in class 6 physics. As you all know, previously I told you about the image formation by the pinhole camera and how the shadow is formed, and in this video I am going to teach you about the very important topic and interesting topic that is known as the eclipse. And this topic, you all are very familiar with this topic, which you are already knowing as the Grahan, just like the Surya Grahan and the Chandra Grahan. But first you must know about the eclipse. What is eclipse? If I am going to tell you about the eclipse, so eclipse, it is an astronomical event. It is a type of astronomical event which happened when the one celestial object moves in the shadow of the other celestial object. That is, when one celestial object is moving in the shadow of the other celestial object, that is known as the eclipse. So first you must know about the definition. What is an eclipse? Is an astronomical event that occurs when one celestial object moves in the shadow of others. About the two words which is given here. First is the astronomical and second one is the celestial. First you must know about these two words, then you are come to know what is eclipse. So astronomical, this word is related with the word astronomy. And what is astronomy? This is the scientific study of the stars, planets, sun and the moon. Okay. And the celestial word, it is related with the outer space and the sky. That means outer space, in the things which are present in the outer space, when one thing is moved in the shadow of the other, that is known as the eclipse. Now, on the based of the position of the sun, moon and the earth, there are two types of eclipse. That means you have to study about the two types of eclipse. First is the lunar eclipse and second one is the solar eclipse. So today only I am going to tell you about the lunar eclipse. Now, so first, as I told you, what is this? Lunar eclipse, which is you are already knowing as the Chandra Grahan. Now, so what is lunar eclipse? So before going to this topic, you are well knowing that this is the earth and the moon is moving around this earth. मून क्या हो रहा है, इसके अराउंड में मूव कर रहा है, और सन, अर्थ इज गोइंग टू मूव अराउंड द सन. Okay, so this type of activity is going in the astronomical unit. Now, but once a position came, कभी एक ऐसी position, once a time this type of position came, when these three objects are comes in a straight line. ये तीनों object क्या हैं, जब ये आपस में ऐसे के अराउंड में, so once this type of position takes place, when these three objects are come in a straight line, और जब ये तीनों स्ट्रेट लाइन में आ जाते हैं और अर्थ विल कम बिटवीन द मून एंड द सन, अर्थ क्या है दोनों के बीच में आ जा रहा है. एट दैट टाइम बीइंग अ ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ, इट कास्ट इट्स शैडो ऑन द मून एंड दिस इज नोन एज द lunar eclipse. एंड दिस lunar eclipse टेक्स प्लेस ओनली ऑन द फुल मून डे. ये सब कब होता है? ड्यूरिंग द फुल मून डे. नाउ दिस lunar eclipse is of three types. That means you have to study about the three types of lunar eclipse. First is the penumbral lunar eclipse. when a penumbral lunar eclipse occurs, so you must know, because previously I taught you that the complete dark region is known as the umbra. That means this is the umbra region, and the region which present around the umbra is called as the penumbra. Now, so it is related with the penumbra. That means what happened when moon crosses the earth penumbra. जब मून क्या है, रिवॉल्व कर रहा है अर्थ को, सो व्हेन इट क्रॉसेस द अर्थ पेनम्ब्रा, जब ये अर्थ की पेनम्ब्रा को क्रॉस कर ले रहा है, सो व्हाट हैपेंड, अ वेरी लाइट पार्ट ऑफ मून इज गोइंग टू बी शेडो. बहुत लाइट सी क्या हो रही है, शेडिंग हो रही है. दैट्स वाई दिस इज नोन एज द पेनम्ब्रल ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स विच इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सी, क्योंकि बहुत लाइट शेडिंग हो रही है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सी. नाउ the second type of lunar eclipse is the partial lunar eclipse. So it is also clear from the name, some partial part will be covered. So when this partial lunar eclipse happened, this happened when earth partially covers the moon. When earth partially covers the moon or a portion of moon passing through umbra region of earth. Now just diagrammatically understand what is the partial lunar eclipse. Now this is the moon and it partially crosses the umbra. Umbra क्या है, ये umbra के partially covers, that means आधे पार्ट में अम्ब्रा के मून प्रेजेंट और आधे में नहीं, आधे वो पेनम्ब्रा साइड में पहुंच चुका है. दैट मीन्स कि अर्थ की हाफ शेडो क्या हो रही है, कास्ट हो रही है. एंड दिस इज नोन एज द पार्शियली ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स. एंड व्हेन दिस पार्शियली ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स टेक्स प्लेस, क्योंकि अभी आधा क्रॉस कर चुका है, तो यू कैन ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टैंड कि ये क्या, ये तीनों ऑब्जेक्ट एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में प्रेजेंट नहीं होंगे. दैट मीन्स ड्यूरिंग द पार्शियल ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स दीज थ्री ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर नॉट इन द स्ट्रेट लाइन. Now let us see the last type of lunar eclipse, which is known as the total lunar eclipse. Now what is total lunar eclipse? It is also very interesting. Here in total lunar eclipse, moon is in the umbral region. That means moon अब क्या है, इस umbral region में present है. और when moon is present in the complete umbral region, there is no sunlight fall in this region. यहाँ पर कोई भी sunlight fall नहीं होगी. And this is known as the total lunar eclipse. That means complete shadow क्या हो रही है, it will be cast. That means what is this? Moon is in the umbral region of the earth and I already told you the sunlight does not fall in this region. इस region में कोई भी sunlight fall नहीं होगी. and moon is not visible to the that part of the earth. और दूसरे part के अर्थ पे क्या होगा, moon is not going to be visible. Or in this, as I already told you, no sunlight fall in this region. So I hope you all are understand whatever I had taught to you. Today I had taught you about the eclipse and two type of eclipses, in which today I had taught you only the lunar eclipse. And the lunar eclipse, it is of three types: penumbral lunar eclipse, partial lunar eclipse and the total lunar eclipse. And the last topic of this chapter, that means the solar eclipse, I will tell you in the next video. Till then, watch the video and understand the things. Bye bye. Thank you.